In this video we have an important topic to discuss: finding a good tax lawyer. Dealing with tax matters can be complicated, and having the right professional on your side can make a huge difference. So, if you want to learn how to find a top-notch tax lawyer, keep watching. 1. The importance of a tax lawyer. Before we dive into the tips, let's talk about why having a tax lawyer is crucial. Tax laws are complex and ever-changing, and mistakes can lead to serious consequences. A good tax lawyer can help you navigate the intricacies of tax codes, protect your rights, and potentially save you money. Whether you're an individual or a business owner, having a skilled tax lawyer in your corner is a wise investment. 2. Identify your needs. The first step in finding a good tax lawyer is to identify your specific needs. Are you facing an IRS audit? Do you need help with tax planning? Or are you dealing with a tax-related legal issue? Knowing what you require will help you narrow down your search. 3. Look for specialization and experience. Now, not all lawyers specialize in tax law, so it's essential to find one who does. Look for a tax lawyer who has experience dealing with cases similar to yours. A lawyer with a strong track record in tax-related matters is more likely to provide you with effective representation and advice. 4. Check qualifications and credentials. When you found a potential tax lawyer, don't forget to check their qualifications and credentials. Verify if they are licensed to practice law and if they have any additional certifications related to tax law. Membership in reputable legal organizations can also be a positive sign of their dedication to staying up to date in the field. 5. Read client reviews and testimonials. Thanks to the internet, you have access to a wealth of information about lawyers. Check out online reviews and testimonials from previous clients. This will give you insights into their professionalism, communication style, and success rate. Look for patterns in the feedback to get a well-rounded view of the lawyer's reputation. 6. Schedule a consultation. Once you have a short list of potential tax lawyers, schedule a consultation with each of them. During the meeting, discuss your situation, ask questions about their experience, fees, and the approach they would take in handling your case. Pay attention to how comfortable you feel with the lawyer, as building a good rapport is essential. 7. Consider communication and availability. Effective communication is vital when working with a tax lawyer. You want someone who can explain complex legal jargon in a way that you understand. Additionally, consider their availability. Tax matters can be time-sensitive, and you need a lawyer who is responsive and accessible when you have questions or concerns. 8. Compare fees and payment options. While cost shouldn't be the sole factor in your decision, it's still an essential consideration. Discuss the lawyer's fees during the consultation. Some tax lawyers charge an hourly rate, while others work on a flat fee or contingency basis. Choose a payment structure that aligns with your budget and the complexity of your case. 9. Seek referrals. If you know friends, family, or colleagues who have dealt with tax-related issues, don't hesitate to ask for referrals. Personal recommendations can be invaluable in finding a reliable tax lawyer who has already proven their worth to someone you trust. Conclusion. Alright, that wraps up our tips on how to find a good tax lawyer. Remember, finding the right professional for your tax matters can give you peace of mind and potentially save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Do your research, take your time, and make an informed decision. Disclaimer. This video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as legal advice. If you need legal assistance, please consult a qualified tax lawyer for personalized guidance. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.